In this video, I will show you how to calculate R-squared value for linear regression analysis in RStudio. Now first install the package Woolridge, press Ctrl plus Enter. I've already installed the package. Now I'm going to call this package through library, press Ctrl plus Enter, and let's take the pension dataset. I'm going to name this dataset, let's name it pension data, pension underscore data. And in the Woolridge package, it is named by K401K. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Now attach this data set so that we can call the column values by directly naming them. Therefore, we will not use the dollar operator to attach the column vectors. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Now let's create a simple linear regression model. We will name it as pension underscore model. Use the lm function. Now I want to explain the variable p rate. P rate is the participation rate of workers, and use the tilde sign. And I think participation rate is explained by match rate, that is named by m rate. A match rate is the measure of generosity in this data set. Now press Ctrl plus Enter. Now this is our model. Now let's summarize this model by using the summary function, and the argument will be pension underscore model. Now look at this console. You can see this here, multiple R squared 0.07, 0.0747, that is 7%. This is our R squared value. And if you want to just get this R squared value, you can use summary pension model $sign R dot squared. Press Ctrl plus Enter. It will give only the R squared value. Now this was a very black box approach. I mean, you don't know the formula, or you don't know the working behind this. So now let's calculate it manually. It can be calculated in 3 different ways. First, let's obtain the predicted values and residuals. Type hash command, type hash sign symbol. We can get this predicted values and residuals through our model. Now let's name it as p rate underscore hat. It means our predicted values given by the model. We can get this by typing this command fitted and the model name. The model name is pension model. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Now we have predicted values. Now let's obtain the residuals. We will name the residuals as u hat. Residuals can be obtained by using this command resid and the model name pension model. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Now we will calculate R squared value in 3 different ways. Now the first way is, let's take the variance of p rate hat and divide it by variance of the actual p rates, participation rate. This is our first way, and you can verify it by checking the value. Press Ctrl plus Enter. See, this is the same value predicted before, calculated before through the summary pension model. Now let's see the second way. 1 minus variance of u hat divided by variance of p rate, the actual p rate. And this is our second way. Verify it by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Okay. Now the third method is simply taking the correlation between the two variables p rate hat and p rate and square this correlation value. So this is a third way. This third method, by taking the square of this correlation, is applicable only in simple linear regression analysis.